right, y'all, we're in Miami. We're in the Yams this morning, 6K, which was beautiful. And I'm thinking I'm gonna just blow it all because it only makes sense to do it. You guys know I rarely ever kind of spend my trading money. Most of it goes to an account where I use it to invest into real estate or other different assets. But I think today we'll be stupid and make stupid decisions and go buy stupid things. So let's do it.
Hey, all work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Hey, talking about.
I actually don't even remember what the heck this place looks like, or if we're going the right way. Definitely not going the right way.
This is an Airbnb or it's a hotel?
It's an Airbnb.
Very nice place.
It'll do. Maybe a little too aesthetic for me. Too many whites.
You don't like
That
whites?
sounded racist.
That sounded extremely
That sounded
racist.
extremely racist. All right, let's see what the heck this place looks like. So let's go from the front door. We're doing an MTV Cribs here. Welcome to MTV Cribs. It's a 2-bed, 2-bath. Just a nice little bedroom, desk here. Come outside on the balcony. We have a nice view of the water. Look at the chessboard. You're scared to, he's scared to hold the camera over the ledge. All right, anyways, yeah, so nice little balcony. Bed here, cool, nice, TV, beautiful desk. Everything is so white in here. Here into the main area, we have the kitchen, which will not be used. See, these are yachts. Show them that. That's a freaking yacht. Anyways, views right here. But we have this balcony as well. Kind of looking at the same exact thing the other balcony was looking at. Yeah, just a little bit closer, a little bit bigger. Kitchen, like I said, probably not gonna use that. TV in here, cool vibes. Nice little additional bedroom. I'll probably sleep in here, honestly. Maybe we'll get a shot of it at nighttime. Honestly, as I'm walking this, I don't know what the heck is where I'm going. But yeah, shower, sink, tub. It'll do for the few days. Why are all the doors locked? Literally this door is locked and these two doors are both locked. The heck are we hiding in here? Only eat at one restaurant. Where would you eat?
I usually go to La Carreta.
I like Cuban food. I see it. Me, my wife, we get to the airport 10 minutes before it boards. We have TSA pre, obviously that helps. I just hate sitting in the freaking airport. Brian, on the other hand, he wanted to get there 2 hours before.
I'm not crazy.
No, that's really crazy. We're only here for like 3 days, 2 days, whatever it is.
Why overpack?
Yeah, and Brian brought enough clothes for
6 days.
6 months. Literally.
I did have an emergency at the airport.
Yeah, he did have a pretty bad emergency.
I was sweating. Almost went to epileptic shock in the bathroom.
I think that's enough said. I think they understand exactly what was going on there. So we came to this place called Crazy About You. It was like a 13-minute walk, but it's pouring raining outside, so we're not gonna walk. So I'll give you guys my review on this place. I can't remember this last time I've ever looked at the price of food on a menu before. Because what am I gonna do? If the taco says it's $10, I'm gonna say no. I want a taco. This week has been not that good. I lost 2 days in a row. And today we won, but the win brought us in positive for the entire week. So tomorrow if we win, we'll be up pretty nicely on the week, which is nice. And that's the cool thing about the type of trading that I do and just having the proper risk to reward ratio and proper risk management is I can absolutely butcher the first couple days of the week and have 2 solid trades and I still come out on top, which is nice. But after this, we have around $6,000 to spend. Hit up the Cartier store, buy my wife something. And I also want to look at a watch there and then figure out whatever the heck else I'm gonna spend this money on. A little cornbread, it's like their signature cornbread or whatever. It has cheese, chives, cornbread.
Bunch of good stuff.
Seems very moist. I'm about to turn to Keith Lee.
You can smell the cheese.
It's pretty good. I get that an 8.5 out of 10. Actually, I'd give it a 8.9.
Nice.
So we got some mahi dip thingy right here. These long old plantain chips. Keep in mind, this is the first time I've eaten all day.
Food tastes really good.
Food, everything tastes great. The dip's good. This is not. This is like cardboard.
What do you got on the menu?
A $40 salmon and some rice. Let's have a taste. Wow, that's actually really good. That's like a 9.5. I see why it's $40. But realistically, on like a not starving stomach, 8.5, 8.6. Yeah, so pretty good. No complaints. I was pretty close. I said 120. It's 109. $100 tip puts it at 209. So subtract basically 210 from the 6K where we need to spend $5,800 more. We're about to go to Cartier right now and see if we can pick up something nice and see what other stores they have over there.
Hey, all work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Hey, bad guy, Heath Ledger. ready for whatever. I'll be front and center. Don't fly too close to the sun. Your body chopped up by propellers. Came in arrogant, but left.
All right, so we just went to Cartier's, part 2 of spending all of the money. Well, I realized it's gonna be harder than I thought. I didn't bring space to be able to fly back with all that, so I have to buy like small, expensive stuff. So first stop is Cartier. We bought my wife another Cartier ring, and I bought my daughter a Cartier bracelet. But in total, I spent $2,100 here, and then $200 at the restaurant. So right now we still have $3,700 more to spend. We're at Miami Design District. A bunch of designer stores over here, so we're just gonna walk around, see what we can blow money on. I don't think I'll buy myself anything. I really don't like stuff. But if I find more stuff like for my daughter or my wife, then we'll go crazy. All right, so right now we're in the Louis store. Tried to go into Fendi, but Fendi was not open. We're not supposed to record in here. We couldn't record in Cartier either, but we are Mission Impossible and recording in here. I found some slippers that she might like. Cool story though, we were walking around and this dude just walked up to me and gave me this package that has a shirt in it on his, he owns it. Huh?
Definitely try.
There might be a tracking device in it, but he basically just walked up and said, hey bro, I like your style. I wanna give you this. So he gave me it, it's like a shirt.
He saw me with the camera.
Probably. Or maybe I am someone. He doesn't think that, he knows that.
Sorry, are you recording?
So we just bought my wife some sandal shoe type thingies at Louis.
They're almost like Birkins.
Yeah, Birkin purse, you mean?
No, the sandals.
Oh, yeah, no, I didn't buy a Birkin purse. That's out of our $6,000 budget. I think Birkins are like 60, 80, 100, something like that. But apparently they're like a really good investment. So if you buy it and hold it, they go up in value like 10% every year or something like that. I don't know. It could have been a complete lie that somebody told me randomly. Yeah, this was like $1,200 or $1,300 or something like that. So we have around $2,400 more to spend. We'll see if we'll spend it here. If not, I don't know, somehow I'm gonna get rid of $6,000, whether I'm giving it away, tipping our waiter at a restaurant or something. Somehow I'm not walking away with $6,000 today. We'll figure it out. Do you miss Dada? Yeah? Hey, beautiful. Are you guys ready for me to come home?
Yes.
She been good?
No, she was better. Before my mom got here, she was so fussy about her molar and the one next to it is coming out at the same time. And the canine, all on the same side.
Dang.
But she ain't been terrible. I fall asleep.
Yeah. All right, y'all. So just got back to the crib. We have $2,400 more to spend of our $6,000 budget, $6,003 budget to be exact. Right now, we're about to change, get ready, we're gonna go out for dinner. What I'm thinking, since I don't know what the heck else to buy or spend or be able to fit in my suitcase really, if we were back in like Houston, home, I'd be able to buy like my wife purses and things like that, but I can't fit no purse inside my carry-on luggage that I bought here. So I think we're just gonna end up giving our waiter tonight like $1,000 tip or something like that. And then I'll probably just end up giving away the rest of the $1,400 to you guys. I'll figure out how I'm gonna do that by the end of this video, so stick till the end for that. But yeah, let's get ready to go for dinner and bless somebody with $1,000. All right, y'all, so we just pulled up to my literal favorite Italian restaurant, North Italia. I think we're gonna come here, order whatever we need to order, and I'll end up leaving the waiter a nice size tip so I can help get rid of some of the money I have to spend that I made today. But yeah, if y'all have never been to North Italia, I put y'all on. They need to sponsor me. I come here way too often. As an appetizer, if you guys come to North Italia, you guys have to get the white truffle garlic bread with a side of marinara sauce. It's an absolute killer. I get it every single time I come here. Just remember, I put y'all on. I'm pretty stuffed. I ate way more of the appetizers than I should have, but the food hits as always. I just wanted some salmon with my ravioli. Honestly, I've never had the dessert, so maybe I'll try that today. We have $1,400 left, $2,400 left to actually spend. So I spent all the money I made in the day. So I'm actually going to tip our waitress $1,400. I was gonna do $1,000, but she splits the tips with the bussers, like the bus boys and stuff like that. So I'll do $1,400 because I think that'll get somewhere around her actually taking home $1,000. That's what we're gonna do. We're still gonna have $1,000 left after that. I think I'm gonna end up giving it away to y'all. I'll tell you guys after we get out the restaurant. That was pretty loud in here. But I'll tell you guys exactly how I'm gonna go through it and give away, I think like $500 to 2 people. Realistically, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna give it to her, but I'm gonna write it on the check thingy. I hate sticking around. I feel like a douchebag. Same way like if I record me giving money to like a homeless person. I feel like a douchebag if I stand around and be like, oh my God, I'm just waiting for her to say thank you or make a reaction. So I'll just give it to her and walk out before she kind of sees it. Tenors that you keep.
No, I'll keep come back. Are you sure?
Yeah.
I'm gonna call my manager.
No, it's okay.
No, I'm
I'm about to get in trouble. She said, are you sure?
it's like I just want to come here with you. So.
Yeah.
Fine. She's over there.
You have a great day. Let's get out of here. I used to watch your videos when I was younger. I'm like, yeah. Now I'm completely changed, man. Now I'm doing that.
Now you got a kid too.
I'm married, got a kid. Yeah. I'm an old man now.
I think that's what it's about. I feel like pushing that message is important. Like,
Yeah.
especially.
I mean, I be seeing what you be talking about on your Instagram and stuff.
Yeah.
Definitely instilling the right thing in these dudes. I don't know. Why won't this robot get out the way? So basically, I was able to make $6,000 today within like 50 seconds, and I spent it all in one day in Miami. But I'm glad we got to give away some money, and we'll continue to give away more money to the people watching this video. But I still have $1,000 left to give away. So I'm gonna be giving away to 2 of you guys. All you have to do to win the money is DM me on Instagram at Joovier_. DM me the word gems and your PayPal or your Cash App, and then I'll pick 2 people and send $500. But that is the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed it and you want to learn how to start day trading, I suggest you guys watch this video right here. This will teach you exactly how to start day trading so that you can too make $6,000 in a couple of seconds and spend it on a bunch of random things. Until then, I'll see you on this video.